Okay, Bill, this video is just for you to create your own light body activation elixir. You can customize this with your intentions and your desires to bring about what you want. You will need a clean and sterilized blender. Add 40 grams of magnesium chloride, 20 grams pure water. Optional is to add a small amount of monatomic gold. Next, add 40 grams pure coconut glycerin. Now simply put on the lid and blend on a low setting for 2 minutes. This will encapsulate all of the minerals, energy and electrical vibrancy within the elixir. Your elixir is now ready. Simply pour it into a glass pouring jug and fill your bottle. Ensure you always use glass bottles. If you're using the ones I have given you previously, wash and sterilize them by filling the bottle with boiling water before you fill it up. Now you have your own high vibrational light activating elixir. You want to make this fresh every 2 weeks to experience the most incredible results within your body, within your consciousness. Always use this elixir before you sleep, but also just before meditation.